Luke here at the Outdoor Boys YouTube channel, and I'm here in the frozen tundra of Alaska. And for the next 3 days, I'm building bushcraft shelters, sleeping under animal hides, dealing with broken equipment, and I'm bringing you guys along for the ride. Welcome to the taiga forests of Alaska. I think it's time to do some camping. So this is the taiga forests of Alaska. The word taiga comes from Russian and it means little sticks. In English, we call these trees black spruce, and they grow in the tundra and swamps of Alaska. While these swamps are very difficult to cross in the summertime, once they freeze over, we can explore them. But first things first, I need to find a place to camp. And I actually like this spot quite a bit. Most of these spruce trees you see are dead. An invasive beetle called a spruce bark beetle came in here and wiped these things out. That means lots of building material, lots of firewood. The air temperature is about 13 degrees Fahrenheit, and this ground is still not frozen. In the wintertime, the ground temperature is usually a lot warmer than the air temperature, and the snow acts as a blanket that traps that heat in the ground. If you can strip away the ice and snow and build your shelter on thawed ground, it's going to be a whole lot warmer. And there's a bit of mud right there. This ground might be a little bit more swampy than I first thought. We'll just have to deal with it. All right, I think it's time to start cutting some trees.